Japanese manufacturing SMEs are globally recognized for unique technologies and high-quality production. However, modern challenges have made business successions difficult, risking the loss of these valuable technologies. We at Nihon Seizo aim to unite Japan's manufacturing capabilities through M&A, combining each company's strengths to solve the challenges faced by our country's manufacturing industry and re-enter the global stage. Our manufacturing is not limited to the EMS-type manufacturing common in electronics production. From factory automation equipment to food products, using our uniquely developed equipment and extensive expertise, we can produce anything our customers envision. We can batch produce any product in a new kind of manufacturing service we call AMS. As long as there is an idea, even those without access to manufacturing infrastructure like factories or equipment can make these ideas into realities and bring them to the world. By integrating multiple high-quality technologies into a single company, we can create products that were previously not possible while achieving higher quality standards and speed. While addressing the increasingly important issues of sustainability and ethics, we can also meet the high demands of global customers. Connecting Japanese manufacturing. ZOLL.